In this video, I'll show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation using Google Gemini. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Then, type gemini.google.com and open the website. Once the site loads, click on the New Chat button in the top left corner. Next, click on Tools and select Canvas to begin the creation process. Now it's time to enter your prompt. For example, you can type "Create a PowerPoint presentation on a financial topic." After entering your prompt, click on the send or arrow icon and wait while the system generates your presentation. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once everything is ready, click on the download option to save your PowerPoint file. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a PPT using Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.